Welcome to the Chop It Up Kitchen, where we chopping up food and conversation. That's right, Dr. Sebi style. Give me a minute, and as always, we about to get up in it. Okay, today's show we will be preparing for you a oldie but a goodie, a quickie but a classic. Alternative to French fries, banana fries. That's right, baby, banana fries. Fry up just like potatoes, but without the starch in it. And the ingredients are as follows. What we're gonna do with these seasonings is very simple. Just dash it down to your taste. Like my dear old grandma said, always to the taste, baby. Always to the taste, baby. We'll start off with one banana, and we're gonna cut off the ends of it. Ends like that. And then you want to go ahead and kind of slip them down the middle. Slip them down the middle. Slip them down the middle just like that. Then kind of just don't want to pull it all the way out, but you want to stick your finger up on it and kind of run down the middle of it like that. So you can have that kind of peeling off of it. See, once you peel it off, you just kind of guide your fingers all the way through it and just pull the rest of the shell off of the banana. All right, there we go. We got one of them going right there. All right, see, just simple like that. Set that to the side. Okay, we're gonna do another. Cut the tip off of it. Once again, front and back and side to side. All right, we're gonna slice it down the middle. Okay, pretty simple technique, man. Shouldn't take you long. That's why I say this is a quick and good classic for when you just want to have something to go that's healthy without having to go to the restaurant or anything like that. You know, grab your quick bushel bananas. You can find green bananas just about at any ethnic grocery store, like Hispanic grocery store. They always have green bananas. And like I say, you want to get the real hardest ones you can find. The harder the better, because they fry real good when they're real hard. Okay, we got that peeled up. All right, we're going to do one more. Make sure you get all the hull off of it. You know, got it right there. Slice it front, back, side to side. One more time. All right, okay. Slice it up the middle like that. Just trying to give y'all an idea how quick it is to do this. You know, I'm doing it right in front of you. You know, I want to go ahead and just show you, because some people want to still be able to eat French fries, but, you know, they want to get rid of the starch. You want to definitely, like Dr. Sebi says, you want to get rid of the starch and the blood. He said those are the two things that cause mucus to build up in the body. So by having green bananas, you can still have that treat without the starch. You know, so there we go. We got them all peeled, ready to go. Pull off the rest of the hull off of it. Okay, we got that going. See? There we go, green bananas. So, I have a little way of cutting it to kind of give it that banana French fry, or that French fry look. So, but you can cut it any way you want it. You can do it in chip fashion. You could do it in any way. But I like to make mine look like French fries. So, starting from the outer end of cutting it, you know, this is where you can kind of mock that French fry look. So, just kind of go down like that, slicing it and diagonally, and then working your way down to the top of it until you pretty much got it done like that. And then what I do is I kind of slice them in half, kind of like that. There you go. Give it that French fry look. There we go. French fry, baby. You know, without the starch in it. There we go. Fry them up really good. They come out nice and crispy too. Okay. All right. Okay, now that we got them all cut and ready to go, only thing left, baby, is to get them all fried up. And yes, the taste test. Okay, we got the grease going. We got it on medium-high heat. We want to get the grease hot enough so the fries can cook up real crisp and nice and crispy. So I use grapeseed oil, about maybe 3 or 4 cups, but just enough to get the fries covered so we can deep fry them nice and golden brown. Got the tongs. Safe way to do it is put the tongs on in there like that. Get your tongs. Oh yeah, fried it up real good. Nice and golden brown. See, like I said, you want the heat up real high, and because you want the grease to be real hot too. So, getting them in there, getting them in there. All right, really good, nice and golden brown, just like my mama used to do it. So, getting them up nice and golden brown. We're gonna cook them for about maybe 3 to 4 minutes till they're nice and golden brown. Then we're gonna take them out and add our seasonings to it. Okay, people, before we go to the grand finale, I need you to do one favor for me. Hit the notification button. So every time we drop a video on the Chop It Up Kitchen, you'll be right on point to get the latest and the greatest, baby. The latest and the greatest. So, we got the fries all dusted up with the seasonings that we chose. Cayenne pepper, sea salt, basil, onion powder, and of course, I have some barbecue sauce that I made in a previous video. Check it out on the video selection at the Chop It Up Kitchen. Alright, baby, taste test. We're going to dip it in this alkaline barbecue sauce, Dr. Sebi style. Just like butter, baby. Just like butter. As always, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Get back to these fries. I know you wish you was here.